Welcome to the Warrior Workshop. We're on a lake trip weekend, and we had a call from one of the residents that she got a battery light on an Emerson thermostat. So to do this, look for a battery cover, and when you can't find them like this, it's a simple pull. Some of them are hardwired, but obviously it wouldn't be showing a battery if it was. And there we go. There's our two AA batteries. We'll get those replaced, and we'll come back after that. All right, we're going to replace it. Just make sure you watch out for the terminals there. So it's and I hear a fan going.
Oh, that's what the fan.
So it's got some catching up to do, but that's how you change the thermostat or change the batteries on your Emerson thermostat. All right, sometimes it's just a simple change, but that's what it takes. Again, if it's not an Emerson, just look around the side and do what I did. Search on YouTube. All right, again, we don't come back the next day to make sure everything's working. The thermostat's set to 73, and you can see their house temperature is 73. So sometimes replacing the batteries is all you need. Well, we're going to say, normally it's go out and make some sawdust, but since it's 4th of July weekend and we're on the lake, go out and make some waves.